how to tell if it's an uptrend or a downtrend on top of obvious, which is that when the price is above the moving averages, it's an uptrend, and when it's below the moving averages, it's a downtrend. Well, another way you can see that even without the moving averages is the size of the bars. So if you have big green bars but little red bars, that means there's very little selling interest and there's lots of buying interest. And so that means, it's upward, there's a lot of upward pressure going on. So bigger green bars than red bars, or mini green bars versus fewer red bars. These are like two ways you could tell if if you've got some upward price momentum, or downward if it's like lots of red bars and then like little teeny green bars. So that's also another way to not be fooled by what you think might be a rally. Like maybe you got stuck in a position. I know people do this all the time, and you've got to learn to get out of your positions before you get stuck in them. But let's say you got stuck in a position and you're like, oh, maybe I'll just wait for it to come back up. I know you all know what I'm talking about. So I'll wait for it to come back up. So let's see. Here's where the price starts to decline on you, and so you say, oh, wait till let me find out. I need to find like one that's a good example of the way this would be bad. I don't know. Let me try, what's something that kind of like ended up somewhat down today? I don't want to go to Apple. Well, I'll go to a different day. So
How about Baba? I think didn't Baba go for downtrend?
which one?
Baba.
Baba. It didn't do good today.
I think so.
That's
I think it went
hilarious because
downtrend.
like
Yeah.
Trump got out of the hospital, sort of like Chinese stocks are going down. That's so not fair. Okay, let's see. Uh, I'm zooming. Wow. Okay, there we go. If my software crashes on me, it won't be the first. Okay. So yeah, yeah. Here's a good example. Like right here, see how big these red bars are, you guys? Like look at these big red bars. I mean, clearly people are loving selling Baba that day. I mean, it's just like the red bars are just like really strong. They're really big, right? Okay, and we do have a couple green big bars, but let's say you were hoping the price was going to go all the way back to zero, to the open here from over here, maybe for whatever reason. Well, you could tell, I could tell, and now you can tell that that's not going to happen because these are little teeny green bars. Those are nothing. Those That's not a rally like I've mentioned in different classes. That's not a rally, that's a pullback in a downtrend. In a downtrend, a pullback is green, but it's minor. It has like little teeny bars, and it doesn't reverse the trend at all. So soon enough it's going to go down even further. It went further than that pivot low right there. But then of course by the end of the day, of course it kept going down further. So that's a way you can tell, hell, I should cut my losses and get the heck out now. But you should have gotten out way earlier than that. So, but these are, awesome things you could know.